Hey everybody! Today's theme is doing laundry. So all of these words are things that we wash in our laundry or things that we say when we are washing our clothes, which means doing laundry. Are you ready? Let's begin. Sock, sock. Pants, pants. Coat, coat. Underwear, underwear. Mitten, mitten. Mittens, mittens. Spotted, spotted. Striped, striped. Basket, basket. Washer, washer. Wait, wait. Fantastic! Now let's do it faster. Sock, sock. Pants, pants. Coat, coat. Underwear, underwear. Mitten, mitten. Mittens, mittens. Spotted, spotted. Striped, striped. Basket, basket. Washer, washer. Wait, wait. Great! Are you ready for a little game? I'm going to call out a word and you need to choose the matching card. Listen carefully. Striped, striped. Excellent. Sock, sock. Good work. Basket, basket. Great job. Pants, pants. Good work. Wait, wait. Terrific. underwear, underwear. Well done! Now we are going to do a memory game. Remember where these cards are. I'm going to call out one word, and you need to point at the right card. Are you ready? Look for coat. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is coat? Did you find it? Yep, you did. Great job. Now look for weight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is weight? Could you find it? Yes, you could. Nice work. Now look for mitten. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is mitten? Did you find it? Yep, you did. Great job. Now look for spotted. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is spotted? Could you find it? Yes, you could. Well done. Thank you for studying doing laundry with me today. One final question. Where do you put your laundry before you wash it?